Hi, I am so happy you are here with me today. I have something really special to share, and I think you are going to love it. These are my new black feather mule heels. And just holding them feels exciting. The soft feathers give them such a playful, elegant look. And that golden heel catches the light in the most beautiful way. As I take them out, I can already imagine how they will feel once they are on my feet. There is something so glamorous about this design, and it makes me smile. Just seeing them up close, sliding my feet into them feels smooth and light, and I can tell they are going to be a joy to wear. Now that I am walking in these black feather mule heels, I can really feel the way they change my whole mood. There is a lightness in each step, and the gentle sway of the feathers gives a touch of movement that feels so playful. The golden heel adds a subtle sparkle with every shift in the light, and I find myself noticing how it makes me stand a little taller and carry myself with more confidence. The inside feels smooth against my skin. There is no tightness, no pinching, just a comfortable support that lets me focus on enjoying the moment. The balance between the softness of the upper and the firmness of the sole is perfect, so I do not have to think about adjusting my step. I just move naturally, and the shoes follow along. With each turn, I can feel how stable they are despite the height, and that makes it even more enjoyable to wear them. There is a certain elegance in how they look from different angles. The black feathers keep them chic, while the gold heel brings that little flash of personality. I like that they are striking. Without being too much, they draw attention in a way that feels effortless. The sound they make against the floor is light and crisp, almost like a reminder with every step that I am wearing something special. It is not just about how they look, it is also about the atmosphere they create around me. I can imagine these heels at a dinner, a night out, or even a relaxed evening where I still want to feel dressed up. They have that versatility that makes me want to keep moving just to enjoy them a little longer. Every now and then I glance down, and the way the feathers frame the front of my foot just makes me smile. It is a small detail, but it changes everything about the feeling of wearing them. And that is what makes these black feather mule heels so special for me right now. The more I walk in these black feather mule heels, the more I realize how much I enjoy this style of shoe. Mules have such an effortless charm. There's no fuss with straps or buckles, you just slip them on, and they are ready to make an impression. I love that feeling of freedom it gives me, while still looking polished and stylish. With these ones, there is something extra that makes them stand out. The black feathers are soft and light, they move gently as I walk, adding a little bit of life to every step. The gold heel contrasts beautifully with the black, making the whole design feel balanced and luxurious. Without being too loud, it is that kind of detail that keeps me coming back to mules again and again. I think one of the reasons I like mules so much is how versatile they are. I can imagine wearing them with a sleek dress for night out, or with cropped pants for more casual but still refined look. They adapt to the mood without losing their personality, and these feather mules in particular have a playful side that makes them even more appealing. The comfort is another reason I keep choosing mules. There is an ease in how they fit and move with me. I never feel restricted, yet they stay securely in place with each step. The open back makes them breathable and light, which is perfect for both warmer days and indoor settings. I like knowing that I can wear them for hours without feeling the urge to change shoes. There is also something about the silhouette of mules that I find timeless. The way the front covers just enough while the back is open creates a balance that flatters the foot and gives it a graceful line. It is a design that has been around for years and still feels modern and fresh, especially when it is combined with unique details like feathers and metallic heels. These black feather mule heels are a perfect example of why I keep adding more mules to my collection. After spending time in these black feather mule heels, I can honestly say they have become one of those pairs that I do not want to take off. They bring together everything I love about mules: the ease, the comfort, and that instant touch of style that makes even the simplest outfit feel more special. The feathers keep catching the light, with every little movement adding a playful charm, while the gold heel gives me that subtle elegance I enjoy so much. I like how they never feel heavy on my feet. Even after walking around for a while, they let me move naturally and keep my step light, which is exactly what I want when I am wearing heels. The open back gives them that breezy feeling and makes them perfect for both warm afternoons and cozy indoor evenings. It is the kind of design that feels good in so many settings that I can already see myself wearing them often. There is also something satisfying about how they look from every angle. The feathers soften the bold shape of the mule, and the gold heel acts like a little statement piece without overpowering the rest of the design. I think that balance is what makes them stand out. They are noticeable, but never too much. It is the kind of style that turns heads for all the right reasons. I really enjoyed sharing these black feather mule heels with you today, and I hope you had as much fun as I did. There is always something exciting about trying on a pair that feels just right, and I cannot wait for you to join me again for the next one. Until then, let's keep making every step feel as good as it looks.